Hello all. AI is evolving in all industries, and based on that, we must adapt to AI. Now, we should know how we can use AI in our day-to-day work. Today, I'll just show you one practical scenario. How AI can help to create on visualizations. In this scenario, I'm using Google AI Studio, so we can analyze data and generate insight without any coding. So let's explore how AI make the data visualization. Let me open Google AI Studio. So this is Google AI Studio, and in one more tab, I'll open Tableau Public. Okay, we have to sign in. Okay, so I'll pretend I don't know anything in Tableau, and I'll ask Google AI Studio to help me to create one visualization. Okay, let's go to Google AI Studio, and here string real time. So I'll share my screen to and Google AI Studio, and I'll seek for help. Hi Gemini.
Hi there. What can I help you with today?
I'm creating a Tableau visualization by using tableaupublic.com portal. Can you just help me? How can I
Okay,
create the visualization? I want to
sure,
have
I
one
can help
bar
you
chart.
with that.
Yeah.
Can you please specify what kind of visualization you want to create?
I have an invoice table Excel file. By using that, I just want to create one bar chart and one line chart.
Okay, so you have an invoice table and an Excel file on your, and you would like to create a bar chart and a line chart from that data using Tableau Public. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, to get started with creating the charts, you would need to first upload your Excel file with the invoice data into Tableau Public. Would you like me to guide you through that step?
Yes.
All right, to upload your data, you should go to the Tableau Public homepage and click on the Create option, then select Workbook. From there, you can choose to upload a file. Let me know if you encounter any issue while doing that.
Under create, I can see only two options: web authoring and download desktop public edition. Which one I have to select?
It seems I was. My apologies. You'll need to select Web Authoring to upload your Excel file and create your visualizations in Tableau Public.
Okay, so I have landed to the connected to data page. Here it is asking me to upload from computer.
Great, you are on the right track. Now click the Upload from Computer button, and a file browser window should appear, letting you navigate to the Excel file with the invoice data you want to use.
Yep. So it's got loaded. Now, how can I create a bar chart, simple bar chart?
Excellent, now that your data is loaded, you can start building your visualizations. To create a bar chart, first drag the field you want to use for the bar's height to the row's shelf. Then, drag a second field to the column's shelf. This will determine the category.
Where should I create?
You will drag your field from the left pane to the area that is labeled rows. It's at the top center of your screen. Do you see it?
Can you able to see my screen and guide me whether I'm in the right page?
Yes, I can see your screen. You're in the right place to create your visualizations, but you are currently viewing the data source page. To start creating charts, you need to navigate to the Sheet tab, which is located near the bottom left corner of the screen. It's labeled Sheet 1 at the bottom left side of the screen. Click on it.
Yep, I have landed into the sheet 1. How can I create it now? Can you just help me step by step?
Great, now you're on the visualization page. To create a bar chart, drag a field from the tables pane on the left into the rows area, and then a second field into the columns. Let me know which fields you would like to use, and I can provide more specific guidance.
I'm new to the Tableau. No, can you just help me? I don't know anything about. I can see here.
No problem, I understand.
File data worksheet. Oh, can you just help me? Where should I go and where should I pick it?
Okay, I understand that you are new to Tableau. Let's start with a simple bar chart. Look at the tables pane on the left side of your screen. This is where the fields from your invoices data source are listed. You'll see fields like employee ID, first name, last name, etc. For a bar chart, we'll pick one field that we want to show on the x-axis and one other for the y-axis. Which two fields would you like to use for your bar chart?
Okay, let's say, for example, I want to see department wise or salary I want to see.
Okay, let's use department and salary for your bar chart. Click on the department field in the tables pane on the left side of your screen. Hold the mouse button down, drag it over to the rows area, and release. After doing that, click on the salary field and do the same thing, but this time you need to drag it to the area labeled columns.
Okay, salary into columns. Oh, that's
Excellent.
nice.
You've got department in the rows and salary in the columns. Now, you'll see that Tableau has created a table. To turn it into a bar chart, you need to go to Marks area in the middle of the screen. Then where it says Automatic, click and select Bar from the drop-down menu.
Can you repeat?
Great. You have created a bar chart, and now it is showing the sum of salaries by department. You wanted a line chart as well? Do you want to try to create it now, or do you have other questions about your bar chart?
Yeah, I want to have the labels, but I'm not seeing any labels here. How can I have the labels here?
Okay. To show labels on your bars, click on Label in the Marks area. Then, in the menu that opens, click on Show Mark Labels. This should display the labels directly on each bar.
Okay, you want me to select on the labels under marks? Show mark labels. Oh, okay. I have to select this checkbox, right?
Yes, that's right. Click Show Mark Labels in the drop-down menu. You should see your labels now.
Oh, that's nice. Now,
Great. You have
bar chart is completed. Yeah, please help me to create new sheet first.
Okay, to create a new sheet, you need to click the New Worksheet icon at the bottom of the screen, which looks like a plus symbol next to Sheet 1. Does that help?
Okay. Yeah.
Great. Is
Now,
there anything else I can help you with?
yes. Now help me to have a line chart based on the job title wise. Something you just help me to have.
Okay, you want to create a line chart based on job titles on the new sheet. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, to create that line chart, drag the job title field from the tables pane to the column shelf. Then drag a measure, such as salary, to the rows shelf. This will give you a preliminary chart. Does that make sense?
Yes. Let me bring the salary into rows.
Okay, I see that you have dragged job title into the columns, and now you're dragging salary into the rows.
Yeah,
You'll
but
see that it automatically creates a bar chart instead of a line chart.
yes,
Do you
correct.
see
But
that?
yes, how do I know how can we convert into the line chart?
Ah, okay. To change it to a line chart, go to the marks card on the left. There's a drop-down menu there currently set to automatic. If you click that drop-down and select line, your bar chart will change to a line chart. Did it work for you?
Oh, that's great. So let me just have the labels.
Okay, you want to add labels to the line chart. In the
Yeah,
marks
that's it.
card, click on the label.
I have added the labels. Can you just help me? How can I create the dashboard?
Okay, now that you've added labels, you want to create a dashboard. To do that, you can click on the new dashboard icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a square with smaller squares inside, next to the Sheet 2 inches tab. Once you create it, you can drag your sheets onto it to create your dashboard. Does that make sense?
I have landed to the dashboard one page, but how can I have the sheets here?
Okay, you've landed on the dashboard page and you want to know how to get your sheets there. To add your sheets, you can simply drag them from the list on the left of the screen where it says Sheets, and then you'll see Sheet 1 foot and Sheet 2. Just drag them onto the main dashboard area and they will appear. Did it work?
Okay, let me just bring the sheet one. Okay, sheet one I have created.
Okay.
Now sheet two, where should I bring it?
Okay, you want to know where to drag Sheet 2. You can drag it anywhere on the dashboard. You can put it next to Sheet 1, below it, above it, or wherever you'd like. You can even rearrange them later. Do you see how that works?
Oh, that's so nice. It's got created. Can you just help
Great.
me?
You have
What can we have the title for this?
Okay, add a title to your dashboard, right? There's an object in the objects pane on the left called text. You can drag that onto your dashboard and then you can type your desired title into it. Would you like to try that now?
Okay, text. Where should I drag this text?
Okay, you want to know where to drag the text object. You can drag it to the top of the dashboard area where you want the title to appear. Does that make sense?
Okay, let me say I want here the title. Oh, yeah.
Okay,
So
you've placed the text box at the top of the dashboard. Now to add the title you want, you
can
can
you just
double click the
suggest the
text
name
box.
name of the title?
Okay, you want suggestions for a dashboard title? How about something like department salaries and job titles? Or if you want something more concise, simply salary overview. How do those sound?
Yep, salary overview is fine.
Okay, so you want to use salary overview as the title? Then you can just type that into the text box and click OK, and it will be displayed on the dashboard. Does that sound good?
Yeah, let me increase the size. Okay.
Okay, you want to increase the size of the title. In the edit text box, you can select the font size from the drop-down menu right next to where it says Tableau Book. What size do you want to use?
Let me say I'll keep it for 20. And I want to
Okay,
bold it. How
you've
can I
set the
bold?
font size to 20. Click
Oh,
apply and then click OK.
I want
Do
to
you see your
bold this
dashboard
text.
title now?
I want to bold this text.
Okay, to make the title bold, just click the B icon in the edit text box next to the font size. Once you click that button, the title will appear bold. Is that what you want?
I want to keep this in the middle title.
Okay, you want to center the title. You can click the center alignment button in the edit text box right next to the bold button. That will center your text. Does that make sense?
Oh, is it italic? Yes, I can see the center. Align is in okay. Yeah, that's cool. Now I'll click OK.
Okay, great. Now that you have added a title, is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, let me adjust. I just want to publish this into my
Okay,
account.
you want to publish your dashboard.
Yes.
To do that, you can click. Okay, to dashboard, you can click the publish button at the top right corner of the screen next to your name. Then you can choose the sharing options. Does that help?
Yeah, I just click the public as an option and I can see the publish workbook and it is asking me to name the workbook. Okay, let's say department data.
Okay, you're naming the workbook department data.
So
After
there
you
I
do that,
see,
you can click.
yes, I see two checkbox here. One is show sheets as tab and one is embedded password for data source.
You're correct. There are two checkboxes there. One is show sheets as tabs, and the other is embed password for data source. Would you like me to explain those?
Yeah, do I have to check mark or do I have to check this or not?
The decision of whether or not to check either of those boxes depends on what you want for the published dashboard. If you check show sheets as tabs, the different worksheets will be displayed as tabs on the published dashboard. If you check embed password for data source, the password will be embedded in the published dashboard, which might make it more accessible but potentially less secure. Do you want me to explain this in more detail?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just clicking the publish button. Is that fine?
Okay, so you're going to click the publish button now. Is there anything else I can help you with?
So I have published the dashboard and it is loading. I can see the department data has been published. Let me just go into my
Great, it
profile and
looks
check.
like your dashboard has been published successfully. Okay, is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, I have landed to the Tableau public. Where can I see my dashboard, which I publish now?
Okay, to find your dashboard on Tableau Public, you'll need to click on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, you will be able to select My Profile.
Oh, that's great. I can see my dashboard over here. Yeah.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yep. Thank you so much, Gemini.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Wow, that's amazing. So you can see, so even if you don't know anything about Tableau, so you can create it on dashboard and you can publish it. Thanks for watching the video. That's all for today.